What's up, everybody? Peter. No, I'm not doing that intro. Nope. So I'm here at Starbucks. Exposed. Yes. The Dietschy'S. Just don't mind me hitting the vlogging camera. Honestly, guys, I know this Starbucks is expensive, but I love this damn stuff. It's so good.
Is that the hibiscus tea or whatever?
It's passion fruit.
Nice. Nice. Looks good.
So great. So I am in honor of using Craig Adams' vlog microphone for the first 100 vlogs he made. This guy, he let me try it out today.
I won it in a giveaway. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 giveaway.
Yep. So, shout out to Craig Adams, shout out to Elliot for making me use this, and yeah, shout out to everyone, man. It's just a great community. Alright, so Elliot and I
Going to shoot rad stuff.
Going to shoot a rad video. We're going to be going down to Gaslamp. I'll catch up on you guys when we're there. So thoughts on the new Fuji X-H1?
It actually looks really cool. I've never been excited for a Fuji camera until I saw this one.
I know, because it looks finally taking, you know, like, they're actually like caring for video.
Yeah, they're actually, like, their other ones were just ridiculous. Ridiculous for video. Like, I was looking in the store yesterday at one of their other ones, and it did 4K at 24, but not 4K at 30. Huh. I don't understand.
What are those?
I want one of those.
He wants one of those.
I do, I want one of those.
Look at this sign, guys. This has to be a joke.
They have to have confused customers there all the time.
I'm gonna get demonetized already from showing that.
Just from that.
Alright, we're down by the harbor right now. It is insanely windy.
Oh my gosh, it's too windy.
Look at my hair. I know, man. It's just crazy out here, but I think we're gonna go back to what's the place called?
WeWork.
Yeah, WeWork. If you guys are in the San Diego area, come by. It's an amazing place. So if I haven't introduced till now,
What's up?
this is Elliot. He's just an incredibly rad, quirky, young, amazing, everything boy. everything boy. Yeah, but he's just amazing. And the time that I had with him today was great. I'm very grateful that I, you know.
Thanks for coming and helping.
Yeah, it's very grateful to meet him. Got some awesome shots,
like
man.
on the train tracks.
Yeah, just that was crazy, really man. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. This kid, man, just wow. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and in all good fashion, I'm going to be doing it in the exact same place that I shot the outro, or the intro. Correction. Wow. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and comment on each of these videos. That would be very appreciated. Remember to subscribe. As well, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Get insights on all the newest content I'm going to produce. And also follow Elliot's channel in the link in the description, like I said, and as well his Instagram in the link in the description. See you guys in the next one. Peace.